Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to play Valorant without downloading it directly on your school laptop. Now, since most school laptops have restrictions or low storage, the best option is to use a cloud gaming service. Go to your browser and visit services like GeForce Now or Boosteroid. These platforms let you play Valorant by streaming it online, no installation needed. Create an account on one of them and make sure you have a Riot Games account ready. Once signed in, search for Valorant in the Cloud Gaming library and click Play. The game runs on their servers but streams to your laptop in real time. For the smoothest experience, use a stable high-speed internet connection, close other tabs, and plug in your device if it's running low on power. And that's it! You can now play Valorant anywhere, even on a restricted school laptop, all without downloading or installing the full game. Subscribe the channel for more videos.